All About Birds by me. Part 1. The Great Egret. Great egrets are approximately 39 inches tall and weigh about 2 pounds. They live to be around 22 years old, and their diet consists of fish, rodents, and small insects. Sadly, you cannot see egrets in Washington state, although they do live in the bottom half of the U.S., and they also live in all of South America. They also live in some parts of Europe, like Germany. Part 2. The Sandhill Crane. Sandhill cranes usually live to be about 25 years old, and they weigh about 9 pounds. Their diet consists of insects, small fish, and roots of underwater plants. Unfortunately, sandhill cranes do not live in Washington state, although they do fly over us while migrating. If you wanted to, you could go to Canada to see these birds during their breeding season. Finally, we have the great blue heron. Great blue herons live to be 15 years old, and their diet consists of fish and wetland animals. They can grow up to 4 feet tall, and they weigh about 5 pounds. You can find these birds absolutely everywhere in the Pacific Northwest, and I even have a photo to show you that I took just a couple days ago at my grandma's house. And that concludes my presentation on heron-type birds. Thank you for watching.